name?
Giovanna.
Do you know your full name?
Wait.
What's your full name, JS?
Gia.
You're GS? Just GS? Do you love your mommy?
Yeah. Come up, Mommy.
Okay, mommy, come up.
Mommy, be really careful, Mommy.
Okay.
Don't fall.
You don't fall.
Just get there.
Here, mommy, help. Climb, 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 climb.
Oh, no, stop.
Hey, let's sit on the slide instead. Come on.
No, I'm gonna slide.
That's dangerous, baby. Don't go near that.
We're going down here.